Hello and welcome back. This is our 6th video on the Libra TMR. In this video we'll go over the remote mode option for, say, if you're in the loader and you don't want to drag the iPad back and forth. So to prevent this, you would go ahead and either pair a phone or an additional iPad, for example. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll show how that can be done. So right now we have two devices that are connected up to the Bluetooth box. The device on the right you can see is the remote option. You can see the mixer with the remote control pointed at the display. So let's go ahead and show how to pair up this device. So first thing I would do is I would make sure that I'm within an arm's reach of the actual Bluetooth box. Push the plus button. We'll go ahead and name our device. Push done. It'll search for it. And then after it's paired, it'll automatically go into remote mode, primarily because there's a main iPad already connected. So we'll hit OK. Then I'll go done. And then for the first step on this is to start out at the main iPad and hit the load button. Go new batch and select the correct ration. So we go with number 9, we're done. Now I'd go over to the loader and I can begin the process. So I'll simulate that right now. So as you can see, the percentage of the individual ingredient and how its progression works with the wraparound effect. And then you can see the overall in the mixer there too. And then on my remote, I will push next, and when it comes time for the next ingredient. So I'll load the next ingredient. Same thing there. Once I get to my total, or my target rather, and then it will show the overall percentage that's in the mixer, and then I hit next, and then same thing, I'll finish out this ration, and then when I'm done I'll push end, and then I can move over to the main iPad location with the mixer or feed wagon, and then I can go ahead and push the feed button and go about my business there. So this basically is how the remote mode option would work, where the remote actually has the ability to control the feeding process actively and change ingredients and also map out the targets.